Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect Claude to Apify. To get started, open Claude and go to the New Chat page. This is the main workspace where you can access your account options and settings. If you are not already signed in, make sure you complete that first so the Settings menu is available. Once you are on the Claude interface, look to the bottom left area of the screen and click on your account. This opens the Account menu where Claude keeps options related to your profile, preferences, and integrations. If your screen layout looks slightly different, take a moment to scan the lower left corner carefully, since account controls are usually grouped there. From the Account menu, click on Settings. This will take you into the area where you can manage how Claude works, including any external tools or services you want to connect. Settings is where most configuration happens, so it is a good place to become familiar with if you plan to customize Claude further. Inside Settings, click on Connectors. The Connectors section is where you can link Claude with supported third-party services. In this case, you will use it to find and add Apify. Next, click Add in the top right corner. This begins the process of adding a new connector to your Claude account. After that, select Browse Connectors. This opens the available connector library, where you can search for the service you want to connect. In the search field, type Apify. As you enter the name, the matching connector should appear in the results. When you see Apify listed, click on it to open its connection page. From there, click the Connect button, or whichever connection option is available on your screen. Claude may then guide you through an on-screen authorization flow to complete the setup. Follow each prompt carefully. Depending on your account and browser, you may be asked to confirm permissions or approve access before the connection is finalized. As you go through this final part, read each screen closely so you know what access is being granted. If anything does not load right away, give it a few seconds, or refresh the page and try again. Once the process is complete, Apify should appear as a connected service inside Claude's Connectors section. And that's it. You have now walked through the process of connecting Claude to Apify.